And a big shout out to 22 for the $20 super thanks and Not Your Business for the $25 super thanks. Thank you for donating to the Human Fund.
The Human Fund. Money for people.
What do you think?
It has a certain understated stupidity.
These guys together donated like 50 bucks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that $50 for the next 10 years. I'm just going to take that $50 and I'm going to grow it to 1,000. That's the goal. And it is possible with Bitcoin mining stocks. So that's a nice little challenge there. Taking super thanks donations and and growing it. I guess like I said, I'm always in investing mode. Unfortunately, I can't drink, or else I would take 2 shots, one for each of you guys that have been donating. But instead, because of my heart condition, I can't. So here's a video of me taking a shot. Cheers to that. We're gonna be millionaires. Wow, that peppermint schnapps. Ooh, haven't had that in a while. Welcome back to another Aitx video. Hopefully you guys are having a great weekend. It is raining and thundering outside. I'm not sure if you can hear it over my voice, but looks like I will be indoors because of the heavy rain and thunderstorms. But hopefully you guys are having a great weekend, and let's get into the charts here. I told you, if you've been following my channel, I have not bought in. I figured it's time to sit back and let's wait and see if we come back down 005s. I know some people have been saying, oh, it's not going to come back to 005s. The thing is, you never know when the dilution machine is going to start. You never know when everyone's going to decide, you know what, I think this play is done. Let's get out of here. And it slowly starts bleeding out. So the trend as of right now is still, I'm not going to say it's intact. We'll see what happens on Tuesday. I was gonna say Monday, but no, let me remove all this. This is a little too, there we go. So the trend is still intact as long as buyers step in on Tuesday. Buyers, we're right at the trend line. Buyers have to step in Tuesday. If they don't, we're gonna come down. And our biggest level, at least from here, is gonna be down here at 006, 005s. High 005s, low 006 to be more specific. That's our next little area of support. And then we'll come down to 004s. We'll see what happens moving forward, but yeah, buyers have to step in big Tuesday or this is going to come down. Let me see this is why I say just be patient and let it come down. Maybe we won't see 002s, maybe we will. We don't know. That's the beauty of the markets. We don't know. If we knew everything, we would be we wouldn't be here. We would be already in a paradise on an island somewhere, probably. Momentum. No, this is the wrong indicator. I'm looking for the RSI. I'm just curious about the RSI. The RSI, yeah, so buyers have to step in today. I mean, not today, Tuesday. If they don't, we're coming down. Yeah, we're like everything is lining up for a high 005 bounce. So you want to see buyers down here. If it doesn't bounce here, we want to see buyers down here. If buyers don't step in here and it's just another big red candle going into support, then we would expect it to come down under 005s. And then from there, we would come back down to 003s. And again, you just never know how the market's going to move. Keep in mind, it has run from a low of 002 to a high of 1 penny almost. So it's ran 500%. I would be very careful buying up here. That is all I'm going to say. Be very careful. I know some people already bought in at 007s, so you better hope that buyers step in on Tuesday. Because if they don't, and if they're nowhere to be found, then you better hope that they step in here. If not, we're just going to start the bleed out process. But other than that, we have a lot underway. The company, this is a real company with real revenues. It's an AI stock, at least that's what I'm going to consider it, an AI stock. We're going to get a couple of juicy PRs soon. I believe this coming week we're going to get some PRs. So maybe that can move the stock. That's really what moves the stock is PRs. We need PRs. Without PRs, well, you get the eyeless kind of price action without PRs. A penny stock without PRs, you get this. You just get bleeding, and then eventually we get a catalyst, and we have a big run, bleeding, and then maybe we get a catalyst, and then another big run. That's what it's looking like it's setting up for, based on the historical pattern of ILUS. So headlines are always going to be king here. And that's it for the video.